Hey guys, welcome back. So today was one of those days I didn't even plan, but honestly, one of the best ones in a long time. It's a wonderful weather. It's a wonderful time. Oh, and by the way, Shahina, she's a new driver. Was I a little scared? Yes, absolutely yes.
हम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होठना आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना लालू আমি কি বঢ়িয়া weather such a beautiful weather god.
It was raining heavily the entire time, but honestly, that just made it more fun. And Shahina, she drove through all of it like an absolute pro. Genuinely impressed girl.
মই মিঠা চিঠা কিন্তু নাখাওঁ
samosa bhal paye
how is rasgulla here
it's good
I have one rasgulla and sinara
Okay.
with that get a coffee pa.
We crossed the very well-known Kolia Bhamura bridge and decided to stop on the other side. Best decision of the day. We had a good coffee, hot samosa and rasgulla together. Now before you comment, just trust the combination. It works.
stable
stable
flavor oi sata ki etio line ase দুডুবু রসগোল্লা
ki roshogulla
দুডুবু রসগোল্লা
oh
It was still drizzling when we decided to head back. Honestly, none of us really wanted to leave. You know that feeling when you just want to stay in a moment a little longer. Yeah, that. It wasn't just a usual day out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Till then, you can still shower love on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.